time in this one. If you blink, you'll probably miss something good. All right, here's number 99, Christian Wade.
We didn't have a roof for it. I know. Come on, babe.
Good news about this heat, folks, is there's a lot of cars. That means there was a lot of Frisbees given out. Remember, if you got their number, the louder you cheer, the harder they hit. I don't care if you've got to do it yourself or you got to get everybody around you in your section on your side. If you're down to the final two and they're on your side, get your whole side involved. Here comes 78, Steve Dees. And last, and hopefully not least, number 13, Trenton Peach. Once again, the mini heat is brought to you by R&K Hunting and then Construction Material Recycling. All right, let's roll them, boys. Circle the wagons. All right, everybody help me. Let's start at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 9, looks like you did the first hit on them. We got a big pile up there on the side. Push them all around. Oh, good hit over here. This sounds like a bunch of pissed off bees running around in there. X43 gets a good hit on number 12. They got a pile up over there. Oh, 13 just brought the heat. Number 11 put a good hit on number 13 over there in the middle. And it was horrible. Oh, wow. Improvised airbag there, number 13. Got heat on that one.
Come on, babe.
Oh, hold it. Everybody down.
Oh, my God.
Stop.
Oh, my God.
All right, folks, they got him out. He can hear you, everybody. He can hear you. They got him out. That's what we like to hear, everybody. That's the best outcome we could have ever hoped for. Give them a few minutes to get the cars reset. Hey, everybody, let's hear Tristan. Everybody give Tristan a round of applause. Let him know we're thankful he's alive. Up and running. Just had to dump some shit. Just so everybody knows, Tristan is only 14 years old. Let's have a round of applause for Tristan. Good job, buddy. Oh, would you look at that? Look what pops out of that car. I told you the girls are just as fierce as the boys. like to thank Mammoth Machinery for bringing in the big heavy equipment to help us clear everything. We'd also like to thank Extreme Excavation for running our equipment tonight. We'd also like to thank Prescott Customs for doing all the banners for us. If you need any banner work done, please go visit Prescott Customs. Also, how about Atkins Sound for doing our music tonight? Let's hear it for them. All right, I think we could have another sing-off. Now's the time to be getting those vocal cords warmed up. All right, get ready. It helps if you clap and stomp your feet too. Nice. Don't be afraid to tell your neighbor to just shut up and dance with you. We'll put some dance music on. Very nice, folks, very nice. If you guys aren't careful, I'm going to have to sign you up or you're going to be famous. You could be famous in a small town as well. Keep up the good work, though.